Hi students, so in this video we are going to discuss some numericals or subjective problems based on trigonometric functions. So here we have a question: cos alpha plus cos beta is 0 as well as sin alpha plus sin beta is also 0. So both these are equal to 0 and we have to find cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta value. So basically we will take cos alpha plus cos beta, which is cos C plus cos D model transformation formula we can use. Sin C plus sin D transformation formula we can use. That is one process of solving. And the other process of solving is we will take this cos alpha plus cos beta 0 separately, sin alpha plus sin beta 0 separately we will take, and we will consider squaring both these equations separately, and after squaring whether we will add or subtract to get this model we have to observe. So let us discuss the second model. So what I am doing is cos alpha plus cos beta, cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 0. I am taking separately. Sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 0 and taking separately. So now I will consider squaring both these equations. So first I will consider squaring these two equations, then we will decide. After squaring we will add or subtract. Okay. So squaring the first equation. So equation 1 whole square, cos alpha plus cos beta whole square. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Now squaring the second equation, equation 2 whole square, squaring the second equation, sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. So we will get sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. So this is the LHS part, and excuse me, RHS is anyhow 0 only, both sides. So RHS in first equation 0, second equation also 0. Now squaring of both equations is completed. Now by adding or subtracting these two, how we are going to get this one, you have to see. Clearly, if we subtract these two equations, we are going to get this model. How? Subtract cos square alpha minus sin square alpha will be directly cos 2 alpha formula. Cos square beta minus sin square beta is directly cos 2 beta formula. Directly by subtraction of these two equations, we will get this part. Remaining part we will simplify anyhow. Okay, so what we have to do is equation 1 whole square minus equation 2 whole square. This we have to consider here. Okay, subtraction. Subtraction means simple, we will change the signs. Everyone knows that anyhow. So cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, directly I am writing cos 2 alpha is the formula. Cos square beta minus sin square beta is directly cos 2 beta is the formula. And come to here, 2 cos alpha cos beta minus 2 sin alpha sin beta. So take 2 common. Take 2 common. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. What is that? Cos of alpha plus beta. Just 2 I am keeping common here. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos of alpha plus beta is the formula. This is equal to 0. So what you need? Cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta is you need. Take this term to RHS, finished. So therefore cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta is equal to minus 2 cos alpha plus beta. So this is the result required. Okay. So let us move on to the next question now. Okay, so this is the next question on board. cos theta is equal to cos alpha cos beta is our given condition. Using this condition, this is the value you have to find. So this is we have to find. So first step, in place of tan, just write sin by cos model. Just in place of tan, sin by cos model we are writing. Now numerator is clearly sin a plus b into sin a minus b model. So what is the formula of sin a plus b into sin a minus b? Sin square a minus sin square b. So denominator is cos a plus b into cos a minus b model. And the formula of that is cos square a minus sin square b. So these formulas we are going to apply. So numerator sin a plus b into sin a minus b model. So we will get sin square a minus sin square b. Denominator cos a plus b into cos a minus b model. So we will get cos square a, that means theta by 2, minus sin square b, that means alpha by 2. So treat theta by 2 as the first angle A, alpha by 2 as the second angle B. Now we will use multiple submultiple formulas. So multiple submultiple formulas I will try to write on the left side. So whenever you have sin squared theta by 2, so this is 1 minus cos theta by 2, and cos squared theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta by 2. So these are the multiple and submultiple formulas which we use very frequently. So we will use these formulas such that sin squared theta by 2 can be expressed in terms of cos theta, and sin square alpha by 2 also can be expressed in terms of cos alpha. So when we express in terms of cos theta, cos alpha, we can use these conditions. Okay. So sin square theta by 2, use this formula. 1 minus cos theta by 2. Next, same formula application for sin square alpha by 2, you will get 1 minus cos alpha by 2. Denominator cos squared theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta by 2 minus, for sin square alpha by 2 already we have written in the numerator, same we are writing 1 minus cos alpha by 2. Now simplify both in numerator and denominator. This by 2 you can cancel. So here denominator is common, which is 2. Here denominator common 2. So 2 we can cancel anyhow. So therefore once we simplify this, we will get like this. 1 minus cos theta minus of, that means minus 1 plus cos alpha, by denominator 1 plus cos theta minus of, so minus 1 plus cos alpha we will get. So this 1 minus 1 you can cancel out. So cos alpha minus cos theta, cos alpha plus cos theta remains, and in place of cos theta now we will use this information which is given. Cos theta replaced with cos alpha cos beta now. So I can write like this. Just observe carefully. First I will write cos alpha minus cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos alpha cos beta. Denominator cos alpha first I am writing plus cos theta. That means cos alpha cos beta. Now clearly in numerator cos alpha common, so 1 minus cos beta is left. In denominator cos alpha is common, so 1 plus cos beta is left. So cos alpha we can cancel. 1 minus cos beta by 1 plus cos beta. So I will continue in the top portion here. What is 1 minus cos beta? 2 sin square beta by 2. What is 1 plus cos beta? 2 cos square beta by 2. So this 2 cancel. Sin square by cos square. So tan square beta by 2 is our final required solution. Okay. So this completes our second question. Now let us move on to third. So this is the next question on board. 1 by 2 minus sin square pi by 16 whole square. So directly this sin pi by 16 value, actually we don't know what is sin pi by 16. So this sin square pi by 16 we will try to modify using this formula. We know that sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So if you apply the formula, you are going to get the cos function in terms of pi by 8, and we know what is cos pi by 8. So let us apply this formula. So applying the formula, we will get 1 by 2 minus sin square theta written as 1 minus cos 2 theta, means twice of this, pi by 8 by 2. Okay, and whole square is there. So simplify. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, anyhow you will cancel that. So okay, denominator is same. I will try to write one more step. Denominator is same. So 1 multiply with minus 1 plus cos pi by 8, and denominator is same, by 2 whole square. So this 1 minus 1 cancel. What is cos pi by 8? Cos 22 and a half. So we know that cos 22 and a half value is under root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is cos 22 and a half, that is cos pi by 8 value. Okay, and by 2 whole square. So this by 2 I am writing as this. So you can write like this, or cos square pi by 8 by 2 is left, no? So you can do like this also. So I will show you one more method. Cos square pi by 8, cos square pi by 8 by 2 square 4 is left actually. So you can write like this, cos pi by 8 formula directly, or this cos square pi by 8 can be written as cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. Cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, and already by 4 is there. You can write like this also. Now what is cos pi by 4? Cos 45, 1 by root 2. So you can go in this process also. Okay, so cos pi by 8 value I am using here. So square and root cancel, and denominator 4 you will get. So therefore this is going to be root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and denominator by 2 square is there. So that means by 4. So what is this now finally? So this is root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 by 4, means by 8 root 2 you will get. And denominator root 2 is there, try to rationalize the denominator. So let us divide and multiply by root 2 just to rationalize the denominator. We are doing this. Divide and multiply by root 2. So numerator root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 2 into 1, root 2. Denominator 8 into root 2 is 2 only. So 8 into 2, 16. So this is your final answer. Using cos pi by 8 I solved. Or you can use cos square pi by 8. You can write like cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. You can proceed by taking cos pi by 4 value. So this completes the solution of this question. Now let us move on to next question. Okay, now this is the next question on board. So tan 3 pi by 24, tan 5 pi by 24, tan 11 pi by 24. This is the value we have to find. Now this problem can be easily solved by the application of this formula. So how to get into this model, that we have to actually observe here. So directly we don't know what is pi by 24 value, tan of pi by 24, 5 pi by 24, we don't know the value of all those. So try to get into this model. Tan A, tan of 60 minus A, tan of 60 plus A is tan 3A. We know this formula. This is a standard formula. So how to get into this model, that we have to think now. So before starting to convert into this model, let us take pi by 24. Let us assume pi by 24 is equal to some A or theta, anything is okay, which means pi is equal to 24 theta. Okay, so which means pi by 2 is equal to 12 theta. So we will take this as reference angles here. We will use this pi 24 theta, pi by 2 12 theta as reference angles. Reference angles means for modification purpose, we will try to express in terms of 24 theta or 12 theta or multiples of that, such that we can actually use the allied angle formulas. So what is the question now? The question is now tan 3 into pi by 24 means theta, tan 5 theta, tan 11 theta. So this is our question now. So how to modify such that we get this standard model? So this is what we have to think now. So how can we modify? So tan of A 60 minus A, tan of 60 plus A. So this is the model we have to get. Now in the formula we have this 60 degrees also, no? 60 degrees means what? Pi by 3. Even that I will write here. So what is pi by 3 now? Pi is 24 theta. So what is pi by 3? 8 theta. All these are reference angles. Okay, all these are just reference angles to get the model of the formula. For conversions you can use these reference angles. Okay, so let us write tan 3 theta. I am keeping as is. Now to get tan of 60 minus A model, what is 60 degrees means pi by 3, no? So I should express this in terms of 8 theta, such that I can use, in place of 8 theta, I can use pi by 3. Okay, so I try to write this in terms of 8 theta. Means I can write this as 8 theta minus 3 theta. Try to write the next one in terms of 8 theta again. So 8 theta plus 3 theta. So all these are reference angles. For modification or simplification you can use those. So basically for getting formula we should express in terms of 60 degrees. In terms of 60 degrees means in terms of 8 theta you have to express, and that is what I did. Okay. So now this is tan 3 theta into tan of 8 theta means what? Pi by 3, and tan of again 8 theta means pi by 3. So now you are getting tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A model we got now. In place of A we have 3 theta. 60 degrees pi by 3 is matching. In place of A we have 3 theta. So just apply the formula. So what is the formula? If we have A, tan 3A is the formula. In place of A we have 3 theta, no? So tan 3A means 3 into 3 theta. Okay? So tan 9 theta you will get. So tan, what is theta? Theta is pi by 24. Okay, so theta is basically pi by 24. So therefore 9 into pi by 24. So when you simplify, this will be tan of, when you simplify, you get 3 pi by 8. Tan of 3 pi by 8, that means tan 67.5 degree. 3 pi by 8 and tan 3 pi by 8 is nothing but root 2 plus 1. So this concludes the solution of this problem. Root 2 plus 1. Okay. So we will come up with more numericals in the coming videos. Thank you.